When we think about companies that strategically leverage their strengths, Apple is a masterclass. In this case study, we'll explore how Apple identifies, protects, and maximizes its core strengths, and how that's helped them become one of the most valuable and influential brands in the world. This isn't about admiring Apple from a distance. It's about understanding what they do well so you can apply similar thinking in your own business or career. One of Apple's biggest strengths is its design philosophy. From the beginning, Apple has focused on creating beautiful, intuitive, and user-friendly products. Design isn't just aesthetics for Apple, it's strategy. Their seamless integration of hardware and software sets them apart from competitors. Think about the iPhone, MacBook, and Apple Watch. Every detail, from the packaging to the interface, is carefully curated to create a unified experience. That design-first mindset has become a strategic advantage that customers recognize and expect. Another key strength is brand loyalty. Apple has built a devoted global customer base that lines up for every new release. How? Through consistent quality, innovation, and emotional connection. Their marketing taps into lifestyle and identity, not just product specs. People don't just buy an iPhone, they buy into an ecosystem, a philosophy, a feeling. That's brand power at work, and it's incredibly difficult to replicate. Then there's vertical integration. Apple controls almost every part of its product development cycle, from designing its own chips to running its own retail stores. This allows Apple to deliver a consistent user experience, maintain quality, and protect intellectual property. While other tech companies rely on third-party suppliers and distributors, Apple's tight control gives them a unique edge in speed, innovation, and privacy. Apple also excels in ecosystem thinking. Every product works better when used with another Apple product. Your iPhone connects seamlessly with your AirPods, iPad, Mac, and Apple TV. This interoperability keeps customers inside the Apple universe and makes it harder to switch to a competitor. It's not just one product, it's the entire experience that becomes the strength. Another often overlooked strength is supply chain efficiency. Apple's ability to scale, source components, and manage production at a global level is unmatched. During global supply chain disruptions, Apple has been more resilient than many of its peers because of the strong relationships and systems it has built. That operational strength supports its innovation and helps protect profit margins. Importantly, Apple also knows how to invest in its strengths. It continuously reinvests in design, R&D, customer service, and retail experiences. It doesn't take its advantages for granted. It evolves them. Apple didn't stop at the iPod. It moved to the iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, and now into services and AI. Their ability to build on strengths and move forward is what keeps them relevant. What can you learn from Apple? First, know your edge and amplify it. Apple doesn't try to be the cheapest. It doubles down on quality, experience, and brand. Second, align everything around your strengths, from your team structure to your product roadmap. Third, protect your advantages. Apple invests heavily in IP, privacy, and customer experience to make their strengths hard to copy. In your own SWOT analysis, think like Apple. Identify what makes you exceptional. Invest in it, build systems around it, and connect it to something larger, a mission, a movement, or a lifestyle. Because when strengths become strategy, you're not just competing, you're creating a category of your own.